We're at gotomath.com, working some calculus problems. We're down here at implicit differentiation and 5-2. I believe that's going to be what we need to be looking at. So let's take 3 seconds out here and write that down. It's equal to 28, and we're at the point 4.2. Alright, what are we doing? Actually, we want to find the equation of the tangent line that passes through the point 4.2. And of course, the point 4.2 is on this curve right here. Alright, let's keep that in mind. So first things first, let's bring up the marker board, rewrite everything, do that. So we got 3x squared minus 5y squared is equal to 28. And we need to write this down. This is important. Okay, so we'll use this color here. This is the goal right here. We want to find this, and the first thing we're going to have to do is find m, which is going to be either, we could say y prime, but we're going to say dy over dx. Alright, and that's the dy over dx of this. Dy over dx of this guy here. So we want to find dy over dx. That's going to be the first thing that we're going to want to do here. And let's go back to blue. So let's go through and take the derivative of this. So the derivative of 3x squared is 6x minus, then we'll have 10y, and then dy over dx. Remember, we take the derivative of y, we got to write dy over dx. And the derivative of 28 is 0. Now what we can do, instead of going ahead and solving for dy over dx here, let's just plug in our point 4.2. So 6 times 4 minus 10 times 2, and then our dy over dx is equal to 0. Now here's something crazy. Let's just go ahead and solve for dy over dx, but now let's not multiply this stuff out. Does that make sense? So dy, and the reason for that is sometimes we go to simplify it, it'll be a whole lot easier. We're going to have negative 6 times 4 over, and then of course this is a minus here, so we got to bring that with that, negative 10 times 2. Okay, I don't know if this helped out any or not, but we have a minus in the top, minus in the, or negative in the top, negative in the bottom. We can cancel those out. Let's see, that's 2 times 5. 2 goes into 4, we know twice. So we're just left with, a 10 on bottom, not a 5. Getting ahead of myself. And then 2 goes into 10 5 times, so 6/5. How's that? 6/5. I don't know. We could have multiplied that stuff out and then whatever. Alright, so 6/5. 2 and 2 goes into 10 5 times. So that's going to be our m. That will be the slope of the line. So we have y is equal to 6/5 x plus b. Now we want to go ahead and plug in our point. Now remember what the point was. It was 4.2. It's not seen on the screen. Let's go ahead and plug that in. So we have 2 is equal to 6/5 times 4 plus b. And now we want to solve for b. So let's take care of this piece here. So we end up with 10 minus 24 over 6 times 4 is 24. We're taking it to the other side, remember. 24 over 5. But then that can actually be rewritten as 10 minus 24 over 5. And then that's going to be negative 14. Sound right? Negative 14 over 5. So that turns out to be our b. That's going to end up being our b right there. So we'll write it one more time. Y is equal to 6/5 x minus 14 over 5. 14 over 5. So let's go over to the whiteboard. 6/5 x minus 14 over 5. Whew, I was holding my breath on that one. Alright, y is equal to 6/5 x minus 14 over 5. Okay? So you will want to come on by, practice that, and you might see me there. Bye.